Hello, how to solve this radical problem? This is square root of t plus square root of 2, and this equals 2. We are solving for all values of t that satisfy this equation. Now, there is square root here. There is another square root here. We need to eliminate the square root. So what we can do would be to take the squares of both part of this equation. I have square root of t plus square root of 2 raised to the power of 2, and this equals 2 raised to the power of 2. Now, we need to expand this. If you have a plus b raised to the power of 2, this equals a squared plus 2ab plus b power 2. And right now, our a equals root t and b equals root 2. So, let's substitute it right here. We are going to have for a squared, we have root t raised to the power of 2 plus 2ab, 2 times root t times root 2 plus b squared, that is root 2 raised to the power of 2, and this equals 2 power 2, that is 4. Now this cancels this. We have t plus 2 times root t times root 2. This is square root of 2t plus this cancels this. We have 2, and this equals 4. So right now I can have t plus 2 times this is 2 root 2t equals 4 minus 2. And from here, I have t plus 2 root 2t equals 4 minus 2. This is 2. So right now, what I can do will be to move this t over here. And I'm simply going to have 2 root 2t equals 2 minus t. So right now, there is 2 here. I can divide this by 2. I divide this by 2. 2 cancels 2. And what I'm going to have will be square root of 2t equals 2 minus t divided by 2. Now at this point, there is square root here. So what I can do will be to take the squares of this again. So what happens here is that this cancels this. I have 2t equals 2 minus t divided by 2. And this is raised to the power of 2. So let's take the squares of this. That means we are simply going to have 2t equals 2 minus t divided by 2 times 2 minus t divided by 2. So from here, I have 2t equals 2 times 2, that is 4. 2 times minus t minus 2t minus t times 2 minus 2t minus t times t plus t power 2. And this is divided by 2 times 2. We have 4. So right now, I have 2t equals 4 minus 2t minus 2t minus 4t plus t power 2 divided by 4. So at this point, I can cross multiply. 4 will multiply to t. That is 8t equals 4 minus 4t plus t power 2. I can decide to move this over here. I have 0 equals 4 minus 4t plus t power 2. This becomes minus 18. So from here, I can have 0 equals 4 minus 4t minus 8t minus 12t plus t power 2. Let's rearrange this, starting with t squared. I have t squared minus 12t plus 4 equals 0. Now we have this quadratic equation that we are going to solve. So we solve it using the formula method of t equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac divided by 2 times a. 1, which is the derivation of t squared, is my a, negative 12 is my b, 4 is my c. So I'm going to have t equals negative times negative 12 plus or minus, then I have square root of b squared, that is negative 12, to the power of 2 minus 4 times 1 times 4. And this is divided by 2 times 1. So from here, I'm simply going to have t equal, this is 12, negative times negative is 12, plus or minus square root of, this is 144 minus 16 divided by 2. And this will give you, we have 12 plus or minus square root of 144 minus 16 is 128. And this is divided by 2. So right now what we can do will be to proceed. We have t equals 12 plus or minus, we can express this 128 as product of 64 times 2. And this is divided by 2. And this equals, we have 12 plus or minus square root of 64, as 8 times root 2 divided by 2. And from here, I can have t equals this 6, this 4. I have 6 plus or minus 4 root 2. So I have two values for t. My t1 will be 6 plus 4 root 2. Then t2 will be 6 minus 4 root 2. So these are the two values of t that we have gotten so far. Now the next thing I'm going to do will be to insert these particular values for t in the original equation. Let's check if the two values will satisfy the equation, or it is only one that will satisfy the equation. We have t equals, the first one is 6 plus 4 root 2, and we have t2 equals 6 minus 4 root 2. We are making use of this equation, which is root t plus root 2 equals 2. And what we are going to have will be, this is our t. Let's consider the addition. So we have square root of, this is 6 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2. Is it equals to? Question mark here. Now, square root of 2 is obviously less than 1. So this is greater than 1, but less than 2 is greater than 1, right? Now, this also is greater than 1 at this point here. Greater than 1. So 4 times this will give you about 5 point something. So if you add it here, obviously, this will be greater than 3. So you're having a number that is greater than 3 from this, plus a number that is greater than 1. This is about 1.4 something. So this is about 1.4. That's greater than 1. So if you add greater than 3 to about 1.4, this is obviously greater than the 2 that we are having here. So obviously this is not the answer that we are looking for. This one here. So let's consider when t equals 6 minus 4 root 2. That means we are simply going to have, remember, is square root of t plus square root of 2 equals 2. And our t is 6 minus 4 root 2. We have square root of 6 minus 4 root 2 plus square root of 2 equals 2. This is about 1.4 something, like I said earlier, plus this is about 5 point something. So 6 minus 500 is about So this will definitely give you a 0 point something, maybe 0.6 or 0.5 something, because this 6 minus 5 point something will give you 0 point. So if you take the square root of that, you are likely going to have 0 point something. So if you add it to this 1.4, you will definitely have about 2 or approximately 2. So this is the closest answer that we have gotten. So that means we will definitely choose this particular solution because it is very close to our answer, 6 minus 4 root 2. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye.